In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp like Excel or Google Sheets. ClickUp is an incredible productivity tool, but did you know it can also function like a spreadsheet for managing data? Whether you're tracking numbers, analyzing data, or creating formulas, ClickUp's table view allows you to organize and calculate with ease. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to use ClickUp to create tables, build formulas, and handle numerical data just like you would in Excel or Google Sheets. Let's get started. First, head over to your ClickUp space and click the Add View button at the top. This is where we'll set up the layout for our data. From the list of available options, select Table. This will give you a grid-style layout where you can add and manage your data. Once your table view is open, take a moment to explore it. You can edit values, add new data, or even customize the properties of your table to suit your needs. Now, let's dive into creating your first column. Look for the button that says Add Column or Add Property and click it. A menu will appear with different property types to choose from. Select Number to create a column specifically for numerical data. Once you've set up a number column, enter some sample values. To make this work more effectively, create at least 2 columns for numbers and add data to both. This will set the foundation for the calculations we'll perform in the next steps. Next, it's time to introduce formulas to your table. Click the Add Property button again, and this time, select Formula from the menu. We're going to create a formula that sums up the values from the 2 number columns you just created. Start by selecting your first number column, then click the plus sign and finally choose your second number column. Once you've set up the formula, hit Calculate, and just like that, ClickUp will automatically display the sum in the formula column. It's that simple. But we're not stopping there. Let's add another formula property, this time for subtraction. Once again, click Add Property and select Formula. Choose your first number column, then click the minus sign, and select your second number column. This will instantly calculate the difference between the 2 columns and display the result. Next, let's create a multiplication formula. Add another formula property, then select the 2 columns you want to multiply together. As soon as you do, ClickUp will calculate the product for you automatically and display it in the new column. Finally, let's work on division. Add one more formula property and set up a division formula. Select your 2 number columns and ClickUp will divide the values, allowing you to analyze averages, ratios, or any other type of comparison you might need. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've turned ClickUp into a powerful tool for organizing, analyzing, and calculating data. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start exploring these features today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.